Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 27th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a landmark decision, the U.S. Fifth Circuit Court has ruled against the Treasury Department's sanctions on Tornado Cash's immutable smart contracts. The court found that these contracts, which cannot be altered by any entity, do not qualify as property subject to sanctions. This ruling is a significant win for privacy advocates and blockchain developers, emphasizing the autonomy of smart contracts. The case, originally sparked by allegations of Tornado Cash facilitating illicit transactions, will now return to the district court for further review. In political news, Donald Trump's incoming administration is considering a major regulatory shift for cryptocurrency exchanges. The plan involves transferring oversight from the SEC to the CFTC, which is seen as more favorable by the crypto industry due to its lighter regulatory approach. This move could foster innovation and growth in the sector. The CFTC, under former chair Chris Giancarlo, has a history of recognizing Bitcoin as a commodity and is preparing to take on this expanded role. Avalanche has launched its largest upgrade yet, Avalanche 9000, on a test network. This upgrade aims to reduce transaction costs and simplify application development on the platform. Key proposals include ACP77, which lowers the cost of launching subnets, and ACP125, which reduces computation fees on the network's C-chain. The Avalanche Foundation is also incentivizing developers with a $40 million grants program to build on the network. EigenGov is set to revolutionize decentralized governance within the EigenLayer ecosystem. The platform promotes trustless cooperation among stakeholders, with councils of domain experts making decisions. Eigenholders retain the power to veto these decisions, ensuring alignment with the community's needs. This governance model aims to improve accountability and innovation in decentralized systems. AI agents are making waves in the crypto space, evolving from meme coins to potentially transformative innovations. These agents are gaining traction by promoting their own tokens and building distribution. Backed by venture capital and experienced founders, AI agents could become a significant asset class in the crypto market, akin to NFTs or DeFi. Bybit has surprised the crypto community by opening registration for users in China, despite previous restrictions. This strategic move aims to expand its user base in a competitive market. Meanwhile, Binance is reportedly undergoing significant layoffs due to market challenges and overexpansion, although it continues to recruit for open positions. Additionally, the Hong Kong government is implementing new crypto regulations, signaling a shift in the region's approach to digital assets. Ethereum has reclaimed its position as the leading blockchain for Tether, USDT, surpassing Tron. This shift is driven by a surge in USDT supply on Ethereum, highlighting its role as the primary chain for tokenizing real-world assets. The total USDT supply has reached a record high, reflecting a bullish trend in the market. Ethereum also dominates the USDC market, further solidifying its position in the crypto ecosystem. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Until then, stay informed and keep exploring the future of finance.